I am Balaji B of ECA. I am here to explain the topic of effective mass of an electron in engineering physics. The effective mass of an electron. The influence of an external field E on the electron when it is vacuum. The acceleration of electron is equal to F external divided by mass. This is the diagrammatic representation. Effective mass of an electron. When an external electric field E is applied to the crystal, the electron in the crystal occurs force. But due to the external and internal field, let F int be the internal field available in the crystal. Therefore, the acceleration exerted by the electron A is equal to E external plus F internal divided by mass. We cannot measure the internal force experienced by the electron directly. By replacing the mass of an electron as the effective mass m star of the electron as acceleration A is equal to F external divided by m star. Metals like Cu and Ag, that's copper and silver, shows their effective mass is nearly equal to mass of electrons. Expression for effective mass. The force exerted by an electron in the crystal is F is equal to minus E into E, that is equal to m into A. According to the quantum concept, the electron behaves as a wave, and hence the group velocity is Vg is equal to d omega divided by dk, where omega is the angular frequency, k is known as wave vector or wave number, and its value is equal to 2 pi divided by lambda. We know that energy of electron E is equal to h omega. Differentiating the above equation, we got this. Substituting the value of d tau in the above equation, we get Vg is equal to 1 by h into dE by dk. Differentiating the above equation with respect to t, we get A is equal to 1 by h into d square E by dk square into dk by dt. One can determine the energy gained by the electron by considering the EK diagram of a conduction band as shown in the diagrammatic representation. When an electric field is applied, the electron gains energy, and hence it moves from one k value to another k value in the EK diagram. Therefore, the energy gained by the electron dE is equal to F external into Vg into dt. Regaining the above equation and substituting the value of Vg, we get F external is equal to h into dk by dt, that which implies dk by dt is equal to F external divided by h. Substituting the value dk by dt from the equation number 10 in equation number 8, we get acceleration A is equal to F external divided by h square into d square E by dk square. Comparing the value A with A is equal to F divided by m, we get F by m is equal to F external divided by h square into d square E by dk square whole to the power minus 1, that which is equal to F external divided by m star, where m star is equal to h square into d square E divided by dk square whole power minus 1, known as effective mass of an electron, and it depends on the EK diagram. Next, about concept of hole. One can explain the concept of hole by plotting a graph between energy of an electron E and wave vector k, known as EK diagram. The absence of electron or empty state is called as hole. The wave vector of a hole and electron are equal in magnitude but opposite in nature. That's kh is equal to minus ke. The electron which is missing the valence band is excited to condition band. In the figure A is filled state and figure B is empty state. This is the equation of a concept hole. Concept hole diagram. The equation for motion of an electron and hole is h into dke by dt is equal to minus E into E plus VE x B vector. The equation for current density for an electron is Je is equal to minus Ne EV. That implies Jh is equal to Nh into EV. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity.